And to simplify it maybe is if you look at a manufacturing as a big box, right now CEC services work on the areas mostly outside the box, which means it could be civil work, permitting, air permitting, water discharge, all of the areas that complement the box. The MIS group is going to bring, the experience and the talent to work within the box, work on the box, within the box, which means help our client build the box from foundation all the way through structural steel, piping, electrical, anything that is associated with the technology. We don't provide the technology as far as producing the manufactured product. They will buy it from specialized company, but we support that effort, from an engineering standpoint. Imagine we have so much talent, and suddenly, you're saying, I can take all this talent, supplement it with more talent, and then be able to do the whole box. So, this will obviously increase our visibility to client, increase our market, and hopefully grow us into areas that we have not been able to get in before. And that market will encompass, it could be anything. It could be food and beverage, could be, light manufacturing, like Procter & Gamble type companies and so on, all the way to the heavy industrial, companies that produce maybe automobile tires, steel, aluminum, etc. Now we'll be able to basically encompass the whole gamut of services, from all the way from permitting, civil, all the way through the engineering services that we provide.